I saw her sitting in the rain, raindrops falling on her. She didn't seem to care. She sat there and smiled at me. Then I knew she could make me happy. She could make me very happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. I love the flowers. Oh, I don't know just why. She simply caught my eye. I love the flowers. She seemed so sweet and kind. She crept into my mind. To say hello, hello, hello. She smiled up at me. Hello, then she took my hand and we walked through the park alone. Then I knew she had made me happy. She had made me very happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Why she simply caught my eye. I love the flowers. She seemed so sweet and kind. She crept into my mind. To my mind. Suddenly the sun broke through. See the sun. I turned around, she was gone.